last video we have imported the config from that JSON, so we are using the DAL here for getting that URL. So for accessibility I made this methods as a public, so which was I missed in the last video. So here we are getting the URL map from here, and few initializations needs to be done here. So these objects will be initialized and we will get that things there. So in the URLs again we have this initialization here, and that value is now coming to the app loader. So the app loader is just calling that object and getting the value from the particular URL. So what we have to do here is as we are getting this env map and the main config file from here, so we have to fetch the particular environment file for the application, which will be used for whole application configuration. Alright, so this.dal get environment specific config and config.env map. So here we will need a and from this config of env. So we are fetching this configuration from here, and we are subscribing to the result env config. So right now we don't have that file, so we will get a 404, but at least we are able to get that or to find it out. So let's try to create this file first. We have a get user info here, so we will specify somewhere like http://localhost:/get user info, and the rest of the things will be mapped later. So let's try to fetch this file first. So it's able to get that file. So I think we are not printing these app loaders configuration. Okay, so here we're getting it. So the URL map is also here, so we will ask the app loader to use this, or app config dot load config from env config. Okay, so the load config will going to find out the URL map from it, and it will ask to populate the map here. Alright, so I will just put some logs here. This.url map check if it is initializing it properly. So right, so the get user config, sorry, get user info is now populated with the one that we have specified in the configuration. So here we are populating it from the load config. In this way we can configure the different parts of application. So now we will have to comment this out from here, and we will fetch the environment specific config from the main configuration, and we can configure the app accordingly. So now app is almost configured with the basic stuff that we always need. So we will have a look for initializing the different labels of this error exporter, error handlers and the loggers in the next video.